Have you ever noticed Kriti Sanan's surprisingly wearable airport looks or her dreamy dresses on vacation? What if I told you many of them come from the same brand and it's owned by her sister? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are decoding how Kriti Sanan subtly but smartly promoting her sister Nupur Sanan's brand label Nobo. A label that stands for no boundaries in fashion and brings affordable fresh designs to modern Indian wardrobes. This video is packed with 20 plus label Nobo outfits Kriti has worn, plus a few surprise celeb spottings you may have missed. On Instagram, you'll see creators and influencers styling Nobo's cords, dresses, and festive wear in reels and carousels. But the most powerful influencer quietly backing the brand? Kriti Sanan herself. What makes this so interesting is Kriti's approach. She isn't tagging the brand in every post or doing heavy-handed shoutouts. Instead, she's been soft launching label Nobo by simply making it a part of her daily wardrobe. From airport looks and brunch outings to ethnic events and family celebrations, Kriti styled label Nobo effortlessly, making it feel relatable instead of promotional. And this strategy is working. Fans have begun to recognize and trace her outfits back to the brand, even when it's not explicitly credited. And it's not just Kriti. Priyanka Chopra, Sanjana Sanghi, and a few others have also been spotted in label Nobo pieces, which speaks to the label's growing visibility. Label Nobo stands for No Boundaries, a name that reflects freedom of style, ease, and experimentation. The brand is run by Nupur Sanan, Kriti's sister, and it offers a refreshing mix of everyday ethnic wear, bohemian cord sets, resort dresses, chic occasion wear. The vibe? Playful, feminine, and easygoing. Think earthy fabrics like chanderi, cotton poplin, and linen, mixed with applique embroidery and handmade details. Now let's talk about price range and accessibility. What's even more surprising is the pricing. While most celeb-worn brands are outrageously expensive, label Nobo pieces ranges between 2,000 to 14,000, making it super accessible, whether you are dressing for a casual coffee run or a festive family event. Now let's decode 20 plus outfits Kriti Sanan has worn from her sister's label, divided into fun categories: statement dresses, casual vacay styles, and ethnic glam. Let's start with her most Instagrammable editorial worthy looks, the statement pieces. Spicy sunset cutout maxi dress. Worn at a glam Mumbai soiree, this wine and tangerine color block maxi had sculpted cutouts and scalloped seams. The drama, the silhouette, all for 9600. Moana dress. On a green strip with Nupur, Kriti wore this yellow floral tiered maxi. It's playful, romantic, and for only 6300. Flower girl dress. Also in Greece, Kriti was seen in this corset style midi dress with a zip up front. It felt like something out of a European summer movie. Emerald metallic dress. For a red carpet event, she's turned in one shoulder emerald green dress with a draped sleeve. Simple but high impact. All for 9,000. Hermosa floral lace set. She wore this dreamy cord with knotted crop top and layered maxi skirt. Romantic and breezy. For 14,000. Stella Gingham denim dress. Seen at a casual restaurant outing in Mumbai, this short halter neck dress features playful yellow gingham pockets and a flattering fit. Stylish yet approachable. For 7,800. Now for the relaxed wearable side of Kriti's wardrobe, what she wears on holidays, brunches and low-key events. Ain't no better crochet set. Handmade, colorful and fun. This white crochet cord is a vacation favorite. Worn in Greece for 9,700. Double trouble dress, airport chic colored. A black and white bohemian maxi styled with boots. Looked effortlessly cool at 4,500. Patchwork coati dress. This shirt dress with attached patchwork jacket gave a modern desi twist. Worn at the airport for 8,325. Ellie linen short set. Spotted out shopping in Bandra. This two-piece set with cutwork embroidery is breezy yet polished for 5,800. Summer girl set. This blue cord with butterfly sleeves and shorts screams coastal charm. Spotted during a day outing for 6,300. Handloom fish set. A relaxed green handloom set with fish motifs worn on a coffee date in Juhu for 5,800. Kriti doesn't just save label Nobo for vacations, she wears it to the airport, to Diwali parties and even weddings. Just buy applique set. Yellow chanderi kurta with tribal applique, airport look goals for 13,000. Samara suit set. Pastel silk chanderi kurta for travel, minimal and classy for 12,000. Alaya white linen set. Worn to the airport, boxy kurta with white on white tribal motifs, clean and crisp for 8,500. Navy applique linen cord. Bold navy with red and white floral applique, another airport sleeve for 8,400. Shabab set, worn for a family lunch. Soft wool chanderi kurta with an organza dupatta for 11,625. Jazeera embroidery set. A destination wedding in Dubai called for this green chanderi silk suit understated luxe at 12,825. Hania choka set. Diwali glam done right. This Kashmiri Firan style kurta set turned heads for 13,700. Khwabita applique set. Fan inspired embroidery on a dusty pastel suit. Art meets fashion for 9,500. Label logo isn't just Kriti's closet secret. Priyanka Chopra wore the Shabab set in gorgeous blue tone during a family visit. Sanjana Sanghi was seen in the Jatara set, a floral chanderi silk beauty with hand-cut embroidery, worth 12,600. Slowly but surely, the brand is building a seller following, without loud noise. In a world of hashtags, haul videos and fast fashion fatigue, Kriti Sanon's way of backing her sister's brand feels refreshing. She's not selling label logo, she's simply wearing it. And maybe that's what makes it powerful. Real moments, real style, and clothes that feel personal. If you are someone who loves fashion with soul and without a hefty price tag, Label Nobo might just be your next discovery. Which look was your favorite? Would you try something from the brand? And if you like this celeb decor, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time where fashion speaks louder than words.